Hi, I'm Bandi Shreyas, an MBA graduate from Alliance University. The MBA program at Alliance is truly transformational. It reinforces the spirit of creative action in its students, enabling them to push the boundaries of what is considered possible. At Alliance, we discover that we are capable of so much more than we had given ourselves credit for. The environment here is very conducive to empowering and enabling students and essentially encouraging them to explore, analyze, and create. The academics are very well balanced with a good mix of extracurricular and co-curricular activities. We have some of the best sporting infrastructure for indoor and outdoor sports. We conduct multiple inter and intra-college fests where we engage with peers from multiple disciplines. The amount of industry exposure that we are subject to enables us to augment our problem-solving and analytical skills. This really goes a long way in establishing a skill set that is viable in markets and industries today. I'm currently working with Cisco as a business analyst, and I can say honestly that my experience at Alliance has been life-changing. The relationships that I have built here with my peers and faculty are something that I will cherish for the rest of my life.